Hello students, today we are going to learn the first chapter from your English textbook Beehive. The name of the chapter is The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was an American writer and a professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his works of science fiction. He was a prolific writer who wrote more than 500 books. This story throws light on an interesting aspect of the technological world that we will have in the future. The story Fun They Had is set in the future world where everything is dominated by computers. It also shows how the concept of schools and classrooms has transformed completely. Now let me read the chapter. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had had when they read it the first time. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with this book, you just throw it away, I guess. A television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. So here, let us see the explanation of this part. The story takes place in the year 2157, and the story is about two children named Margie and Tommy. The story opens with Margie writing in her diary about an old book that Tommy had found. In her diary page, there was the date 17th May 2157. The book that Tommy found was very old. Now, Margie was reminded of her grandfather, who went to an actual school where the students were taught by human teachers and all the stories were printed on paper. Her grandfather studied all the books that were printed on paper. Further, both Tommy and Margie read the book themselves and find the feeling of turning the pages rather funny. It was funny for them because, they were not in the habit of reading still words, but they are used to read only telebooks. That means online books. Okay, they are used to read the books on screen. All their books are stored in TV sets and computers. So this was a strange experience for the children to read the book which is printed on paper. Tommy did not like the printed book. He said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you just have to throw it away. You cannot have some different story written on the same page or same book. So he felt that the computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more on that screen. So that is why he says here that he would not have to throw it away after reading a story. Let us continue with the lesson. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house." He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. "In the attic." "What's it about?" "School." Margie was scornful. "School? What's there to write about school? I hate school." Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Let's see what is the explanation of this session. Here, Margie also had the same opinion like Tommy, so she agreed with his opinion. Margie was 11 years of age. She has not read as many books as Tommy because Tommy was older to Margie. He was 13 years of age. Then Margie asked Tommy where he had found that printed book. And without looking at her, Tommy answered that he had found that book in the storeroom of his house. He didn't look at her because he was very busy reading that book. Then Margie asked again what that book was about. Tommy answered her saying that it was all about a school. Here, Margie hated the word school. So she asked, what was there so much to write about school in an entire book? Now there is a reason why Margie hated school. A real school like that we all have today. So in the future, we are thinking that the schools will be virtual classrooms. There will be only machines for teaching children. The robotic teachers, mechanical teachers will be teaching the students. Margie hated her machine because it was giving her so many tests in geography, and that was very difficult for her, and she was not performing good. She was doing very bad in that test. At last, her mother decided to call the county inspector because the mother felt that there was something wrong with the machine. That is why she is not performing well in all the tests. Let's see the next paragraph. He was a round little man with red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch card they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Here now the county inspector came to check the mechanical teacher. The inspector was a round little man and he had a red face. He was carrying a big box full of tools with all kinds of dials and wires in it. So he came there to repair the computer. When he opened the computer, Margie wished that he would not be able to close it back because she didn't like the computer and she didn't like to study from this teacher, this mechanical teacher. But the inspector repaired it so fast and he adjusted it to the level of a 10 years age. He said that the speed of geography sector was increased and that's why she couldn't so well in that subject. Here Margie also gave a description about the computer. She tells that she feels that it's very huge and it is black in color and it looks so ugly. She didn't like its appearance. Okay, so she hated this mechanical teacher. Why she hated the most? Because she had to submit her homework and test papers to it every day. And she had to write her homework and test papers in a punch code. Punch code means it's a computing language. And she had learned this language at the age of 6. And the machine checked the papers and calculated her marks within few seconds. Next, let's continue reading. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I've slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" So the inspector said that Margie was learning at a good level. She was performing so well according to her age. And so he patted her head in order to cheer her up. Margie was sad on the other hand. Why? Because she didn't want to learn. she didn't want to study from this mechanical teacher, and she wished that if the inspector should take it away. And at this point of time, Margie remembered the time when Tommy's mechanical teacher was taken away for repair, almost for a month. And he was enjoying this time as he didn't have to do any lessons and he didn't have any teacher at that time. It had been taken away because, the history sector, Tommy's history sector was completely erased, deleted from the machine. So the mechanical teacher didn't have the memory. So that's why the inspector had to take it away for its repairing, and for 1 month Tommy was without any teacher and without any lessons. And that's why here Margie also wished if this county inspector could take it away, then she could also enjoy the days without learning that subject. Let us wind up this session here today. The remaining part of the lesson will be continued in the next session. Until then, take care. Bye.